Hi everyone, it's Alicia, and this week again I'm joined by Julio over at Studio Suite. Julio, how are you doing this week?
Doing great, thanks, Alicia. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you. So in today's video, you are going to be telling us a little bit more about the Quick Log feature within Studio Suite. You're going to be talking to us about it, and you're also going to be showing it to us in a live demo. So if you'd like to just take it away.
Yeah, thanks, Alicia. So the Quick Log feature, it's there to help you keep track of the time that your employees or freelancers spend on a task or a project. So let's go ahead and show you how that's done in Studio Suite. So here we are. We have the Quick Log module visible. So if we click on it, we can open it. Right here, we can choose which projects to display. So you can either show all, you can show today's, just the projects for the week, or you can also search for a project. So if I'm looking for maybe Ozark, there we go. Here we have the Ozark projects. So the concept for this is that if I'm an editor, for example, and I want to say that I've worked 4 times on on a coloring project for this episode number 2, I should have the ability to do that quickly. So I can look for my name over here. I can do a search. You can search for a various amount of resources. So here's my example. So I'm going to click on Julio, and I can just click OK. And then this would say that I started working on this editing or coloring project from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But maybe if I want to edit that, I can edit that from here. So there it is, coloring. That's the action. If I click on this watch icon, it's going to look for the current time and add it here. The same thing with the end. So it's like a stopwatch, pretty much. I can also edit this and dialing a number or choose a value from here. So there we go. So I set 4 hours. So maybe we wanted to do from, let's say 1 to 5:20, 5:30, close enough. Perfect. I'll add a note. The project came out great. That's it. So once I click OK, it's going to add this line item to the Ozark episode number 2 project. So let's take a look. Okay, so here's this line item that we just added, Julio, the studio manager. There's some child items, so I'm going to collapse those for now. And it's saying that I worked from 1:20 p.m. to 5 p.m. So it's as easy as that. And another useful idea would be for you to have in Quick Log a project. So let's say that we're looking for August. So this one is for to keep track of our audio engineers in the month of August. So I can pick this, and if I'm an engineer, I can click there, and I can say that I did some mixing. And I can add a note. There we go, say okay. So that way, the studio manager or supervisor can see all the time that people have spent in the month of August. And this is for the audio engineers. You can have some for your video editors and other tasks for that matter. So just a quick example. So hopefully this was useful, and I'll pass it back on to you, Alicia.
All right, Julio. Well, that looks like it makes everyone's life a lot easier when it comes to time tracking. And that's very important, when you're managing a studio, to be able to keep track of everyone's time, exactly how much time they're putting into a project. And then also just seeing that all in one place, all of the time that you've put into one specific project. So if you're watching this video right now, and that's you, maybe you're a studio manager, a studio supervisor, and you want to use this software to help you, you're definitely going to want to get in contact with Julio and his team. You can find out more about Studio Suite online at studiosuite.com, where you can also sign up for a free demo where you'll be able to explore all of the different features within the software and really get started with your studio. So Julio, thank you again.
Thank you, Alicia.